creating warp markers or flex markers, that's important for timing considerations. You need to know how to turn it on. I've actually changed mine to Command F, but you can check what it is by just typing flex. Show how to flex time. Okay, so it's Command F. So when I press Command F, I get this. You can also access it from clicking that, and then when you click this once, it will flex the audio, meaning it will find all the transient points. You can change the position of the audio's position relative to where it was before. In Ableton, it kind of already naturally on warp marker mode, so you don't actually need to turn it on. You just need to access it from here. If you double click, you get a warp marker. But if you go to a section before that has no audio line, it will not create a warp marker there.